Hey guys, how you doing? I am back again with amazing gadgets and technologies just for you. Today we will see an awesome pocket selfie drone with some amazing features, a smart personal gym trainer right at your home, a smart and intelligent robot, amazing cooling pad for your smartphone, running alarm clock, and a pro gadget that helps you for your exam and many more. So consider subscribing and let's get right into it. Chinny 57. This is mini-size foldable drone. This drone is also known as Wi-Fi selfie drone. This portable and pocket-sized drone has one of the greatest feature of smartphone control. It can be controlled via its own remote too. This mini-sized drone has another feature of Wi-Fi video stream. The drone must be connected to Wi-Fi and you can see the aerial video stream at your smartphone. You can even capture photos and take selfies and beautify it. It also has headless mode so that you don't need to adjust its head while taking off. This drone is super thin that you can carry it in your pocket. It also has advanced features like altitude hold. It can do some awesome maneuvers too. Tonal fitness system. Exercise is an important thing to do. But due to the fact that gym is far from our home and we lack motivation to do ourselves, we are often neglecting to do exercise. Introducing Tonal Fitness System. This is a perfect gym gadget from you, and your personal trainer is available at any time. It is the world's most intelligent fitness system. This system has personal trainer built in. Using this system you can get step-by-step instructions and motivation from highly qualified gym trainer. This fitness system is truly personalized and you can notice real results quicker than ever before. This system has all-in-one design where you can get every gym equipment you need. Tonal sets optimum weights for you and guide you to achieve your goal. Advanced artificial intelligence records your progress in every reps. It can even notice that you are struggling and ease you instantly. Want to build your body quicker? Try this. Hunt 23. This is our next gadget which is small in size but has powerful features that makes it amazing. It is made with 5th graded titanium which is super strong. It is fireproof and waterproof. It won't get destroyed even in water and fire. It has small lead torch which you can use in emergency situation. You can use it as a bottle opener as well as screwdriver. You can even cut things with its help. So, this multi-tool gadget can be used in many ways at different situation. Its another cool features is you can read hidden letters with the help of light attached to it. Due to its small size you can keep it anywhere, like you can use it as keyring, make it as a locket, or use it in bags or jackets zipper. Clocky. Guys, do you have problem of oversleeping like me? Do you abuse that snooze button every morning when it starts to ring? Well, typical alarm clocks just can't get you out of bed. Introducing Clocky. Clocky is smart alarm that never lets you oversleep again. Whenever you try to snooze, Clocky will jump off your nightstand and run around beeping, compelling you to get you out of your bed. Clocky is strongly determined to get you out of bed on time. Some might get angry with it too. But if you have to wake up anyway, you will love it. Clocky give you some morning walk too while you are trying to catch it. Clocky is even conscious about your health. Isn't it? One like for this amazing alarm clock. Solar Yeti. If you are a smartphone user you might definitely have experienced overheating problem. Whenever you run heavy mobile application or play games like PUBG, Free Fire or COD, your phone might have been turned into iron. So you might have to give your phone some rest, which is frustrating. In this situation you can use this next level gadget Solar Yeti for your phones. It prevents overheating of your smartphone from video streaming or gaming and cool it down with its cooling pad. You just have to attach it at the back of your phone and enjoy your thing without fear of overheating. With the attached ring holder and super strong suction cups, you can now attach the cooling pad to the back of your mobile devices and reduce the risk of dropping and breaking them. Plus, the built-in 2000 mAh battery acts as an emergency power bank when your device runs out of battery. Anki Cosmo, this is one of my personal favorite robot. This is one of the cutest robot which is small in size, but it is very intelligent. It has lots of exciting features that can make you spend all your day playing with this robot. This robot finds many ways to entertain you. This robot has a screen that makes different expressions according to the situations and emotions. It has amazing feature of recognizing people and object. It slow has depth camera that can accurately determine the distance of object from it. It has anti-fall feature if you are using it on table. It can navigate through its way without colliding with objects. It is so smart that it can talk with people. You can even learn to program the robot with the help of tablet or laptop. Its camera supports night vision too, so it can be useful for surveillance. It can be connected to Wi-Fi and controlled from anywhere. This might be helpful for the kids who want to learn programming. You can buy this cute robot at about $350 from Amazon. Pillow D. If you are a frequent traveler, you definitely might have faced problems in sleeping because you didn't carry comfortable pillow with you. You might have even tried to carry neck pillow with you, but it might have been rather frustrating because you couldn't carry it without showing and sacrificing style. Introducing Pillow D, a hoodie with an inflatable pillow that is portable, adaptable and fashionable. This is a normal hoodie, but it comes with a neck pillow. Whenever you need to rest or you want to sleep, just pull the pipe lying inside the zipper and blow some air in it. Boom! Your neck pillow is ready. This will make your travel more comfortable, and you need not to worry about the space to put the neck pillow. Your pillow will be always there with you, and if you need to use it, just blow some air to it. If you get some time to rest during your working hour, you can get power nap with this comfortable pillow. If you like this awesome hoodie, then comment down below. Mutrix GB. If you spend long time in front of laptop and mobile phones, or you spend several hours playing games, this is the glass you really need to have. This is a smart glass which has blue light filters. This makes sure that it protects your eyes from blue lights coming from computer or mobile screen. It slow has built-in Bluetooth speaker which provides very good sound. It has very cool design and looks attractive. It delivers rich and immersive sound quality. Now you are able to listen and judge the direction of footsteps, gunshot distance and location more precisely. The miniature speaker is adjusted such that the sound goes straight to your ears and away from others. It has 4 hours of battery life on a single charge. Volume controller right in your fingertips in the form of classic game console buttons. You can even pick your call and answer it. It comes in 2 different sizes. Cosmos Max. Guys, if you love watching movie or series and want to gain theater experience at home, then this gadget is for you. This circular looking gadget is nothing but a 4K projector. Along with being portable, it is smart too. It also has 3D speaker embedded with it, which provides next level audio quality to you. Its another advantage is that you should not have to get a separate speaker for your projector anymore. Its display quality is sharper than that of theater. You can connect it with Android or iOS devices, so you can enjoy premium streaming service of YouTube or Netflix. You can even get the experience of playing the mobile games like PUBG or Free Fire in big screen, which is really amazing. "24K UPI. It is an amazing spy watch where you can upload the text that are invisible to others. The text will be visible to only the person who is using this special glass that comes along with this watch. Others can only see the dark screen, so they won't understand what you are doing with this watch. If you wear the special glass, you will see all the texts written in the watch. You can upload your text through your laptop or PC and can see the text whenever you like secretly. This gadget uses special glasses and lenses to make this possible. This cool gadget can be very useful for your exams. You might be another topper of your class. Who knows? This much for today. I will be uploading amazing videos related to the gadgets, technology and inventions on regular basis. Until then, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it to your tech lover friends. Goodbye.